Hello viewer, myself Sharad Srivastava, Faculty Mechanical Department from United Engineering College. The objective of this lecture is to understand the bearing life at 90% reliability, or we can say rated life of the bearing, and how can we find the life of the bearing other reliability percentage like 99.9%, 50%, etc. So first we come to the topic. What is rated? What is the rated life of the bearing? Rated life of the bearing, that 90% of a group of identical bearing will complete or exceed number of revolution before the first evidence of fatigue crack develop. Okay, so this is also called as a rated life, represented maybe L10, B10, minimum life, or catalog life, etc. So at the conclusion, we can say the rated life at reliability 90%, and the reliability of the bearing when we select from the manufacturer catalog is based on 90% reliability, or R is equal to 0.9. So what is the, in general term, what is the reliability? How can we say what is the sense of this word reliability? Reliability is the degree to which a test consistently measure whatever it measures. So it's a word of consistency, word of reliability, how reliable the data are. Okay, so in terms of the bearing life, the reliability R is defined as what? Is the number of bearing which have successfully completed million of revolution divided by total number of bearing under test. Means what? If suppose you are having a 100 identical bearings and you are find out the life of the bearings, so you can test identical bearing 100 on a same loading condition and start measuring the time of failure. Suppose out of 100 one bearing is failed. Okay, likewise 2, 3, 4, 5. When 10th bearing is failed, we can measure the rest time of the bearings. So out of 100, this failure of after failure of these 10 bearings, the rest 90 bearings are termed as a L10 at a 90% reliability. So on a manufacturer catalog, the rated life is defined on the base of 90% reliability. For calculating the reliability other than 90%, we are having a concept of Weibull distribution curve, which is on the x-axis we have a life of a bearing, and on a y-axis this is a percentage of a bearing in a life. Okay, so as Weibull distribution, the relation of R is equal to e to the power minus LA upon to the power B, where R is a reliability and L is a corresponding life and A and B are the constants. Okay, if we rearrange the terms, the equation may be written as L upon L10 is equal to log of base E 1 upon R divided by log of base E 1 upon R90 to the power 1 upon B. If we can put the value, A is equal to the constant, value of the constant is A is equal to 6.84 and B is equal to 1.17. This value of this constant is came out when we consider the average life, means L50 is equal to 5 times of the rated life, 5 times of the L10. So if we can put all the values, what is all this value, we can have a equation which is L is equal to L by 10 is equal to log base E 1 upon R divided by log E 1 upon R90 to the power 1 upon B. Okay. For understanding this equation, how can we apply this equation? We are having a question with us. Suppose a single row deep groove ball bearing is subjected to a radial force of 8 kN and thrust force of 3 kN. The value of x and y factors are 0.56 and y is equal to 0.88 respectively. The shaft rotates at 1200 rpm and the diameter of the shaft is 75 mm and the bearing number is 6315, for which the rated life is 90,000 Newton. Rated capacity, load carrying capacity is 90,000 Newton, is selected for this application. Calculate first life of the bearing with 90% reliability and also calculate the reliability for 20,000 hours life. Okay, so come to the solution part. These are the data which is given in the problem, and if we calculate the equivalent radial load W with the help of the above data, the value is 10120 Newton as we calculated here. Okay, now what is the rated life, L10 life or B10 life? L10 is equal to C by W to the power K. It's a relation. We can put the value of 90,000, it is given, and W is equal to 10120 is calculated. K is equal to 3. So the 703.37 million of revolution is the rated life. If you can change this million of revolution into number of hour, you simply use the relation L10 is equal to, the answer is 9769.02 hours. This is the answer of the first part in terms of the hours, rated life of the bearing in terms of hours. Now come to the solution of the second part. If we can calculate the reliability of the bearing for 20,000 hours, we can use this equation L upon L10, which is discussed in previous slides. Put the value of L is equal to 20,000, L10 is equal to 9769.02 hours, R90 is equal to 0.90 and B is equal to 1.117. We get the value of R is 0.7843, or we can say the reliability of this bearing is 78.43%. Okay, thank you.